Mr. Reese, I assume I don't need to remind you these are dangerous men you're following.
I've taken all precautions, Finch. You find anything on Annie?
Yes, her name is Anne Delaney, born and raised in Brooklyn. She was widowed 9 months ago when her husband, Sean Delaney, was found shot to death in Brighton Beach.
That was Russian territory then, before Elias took it all over. Not the place to be if you're one of George's crew. You have an address for her?
1424 East 39th. You're headed in that direction.
So how you want to do this?
Quietly.
Yeah, but how? The old man said no trace.
I'll handle it. You just keep an eye out and be ready to help with the body.
Are you hearing this, Mr. Reese?
Don't worry, Finch. I'll make sure they don't get anywhere near her. Someone's calling Riley.
No, it's George calling Eddie.
Yeah.
Don't talk, just listen. Before you do that thing tonight, I want you to handle that other business that we talked about. Riley.
You sure?
You heard him today, Eddie. I gave him a chance to come clean. He didn't take it. I can't trust him anymore. So he goes. Then the girl. Can you handle this, or do I need to?
No, I got it.
Good. Call me when it's done.
What's up?
Nothing. The old man was just checking in. You know how he gets.
Yeah, I do.
We may have this one wrong, Finch. Riley might be the victim after all. But I think I'm too late.
Too late? What do you mean, Mr. Reese? What was that?
Hang on, Finch.